How to turn off location on Facebook. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be about how you can easily turn off location on Facebook. But before we begin, I'd like you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Facebook app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you'll have to find your settings something called device permission. So tap on your profile icon and then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now once your settings is open, you're going to have to tap on the search bar and then search for permission. So I'm just going to search for it. And here you'll have option called device permission. Now tap on view and you'll get the device permission information. As you can see, I've not allowed anything here on Facebook, but if you find the location here and it's set to never and want to use it while using or update the settings, just tap on update settings. Now you're gonna have to open your device settings. Tap on it and it will open up your device settings. Now head over to permissions and from here tap on location, and if it's allowed you are gonna go ahead and tap on it to tap on don't allow, and you have successfully turned off location services on Facebook. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.